Oh, Chopper. Oh, Chopper. Are you excited? We got something fun we're gonna do today. Yeah, I'm excited. Hey, Chopper. Why? Why are you Spider-Man on this? No! Don't scratch it. Hello, YouTube. How are you all doing today? I'm very excited because I think I may have just gotten the best thing ever. This is the video that's going to top all of my other cosplay videos I've ever done, and that's because I'm going to cosplay with my cat. What are you doing, Chopper? We all know Animal Crossing, of course. We've all been playing Animal Crossing this year. It's been keeping probably a lot of people sane. And oh, look at this. It's so cute. I got some Animal Crossing goodies from Meek Costumes. If you don't know Meek Costumes, they are a cosplay store. I've shopped with them a few times and I have a few different videos on stuff from their shop. But today is extra special because they came out with some pet cosplays, so of course I had to get some. First, they also had some little plushies, so I got this little Timmy or Tommy. They kind of have the same face. It's one of them. It's not Tom Nook. He has like different eyes, but it's either Timmy or Tommy, one of the twins. I love him. So soft, nice and squishy. It's so good. But that is not cosplay related at all. They just had it on the site with this stuff and I just had to get it because it was so soft and cute. And I've had him sitting on my bed behind me for a while, so you might have seen him in the background of some of my videos because it's just so cute and it's perfect for just being like a decoration, but also it's kind of like a pillow. It's really soft. But there's that. Let me get to the more exciting thing though, and that is going with the theme. This is the same shirt that Timmy and Tommy wear. Besides that, we also got a little tiny cat shirt. It's so cute. And they match so well. So me and Chopper are gonna be Timmy and Tommy today. We're gonna be the twins. I'm so excited. I almost got Isabel's shirt, the pink one, just cause I like pink. Obviously, I have a lot of pink things around me. And then they have Tom Nook's shirt too, and I was wondering like, should I be Tom Nook and he be either Timmy or Tommy? But then I was like, we can't just have one of the twins. So I went ahead and got us both Timmy and Tommy, so we're gonna be the twins, and you will definitely not be able to tell the difference between us. The cat shirt is just as one size. Chopper's a little bit of a smaller cat, so it's kind of big on him. Yeah? What are you mad about? It's a little bit big on him, and the sleeves aren't, so like, imagine there's a cat walking. The sleeves do kind of come out of the sides like a regular shirt, not like on the bottom like the cat. So it does like stretch a little weird, but it's fine. It is a costume for my cat. It's not like he's wearing this every day as clothing or anything. And then for this one, the actual person shirt, I got a size small. It is a little big. I actually forgot this was a small. I thought this was a medium, but this is a size small. But I think it's okay because like I imagine these type of shirts would be like, they're supposed to be kind of baggy. They're not supposed to be like tight form-fitting shirts. The material is comfortable, it's soft. I've actually worn this shirt a few times as just regular clothing, not necessarily just as a cosplay item. And I like that. I like that it's versatile because I can just, like wearing this, if I wore this out in public, people wouldn't be like, oh, you're cosplaying. They'd be like, oh, you like Animal Crossing? I also like Animal Crossing. Let's talk about it. So there's the shirt. The patch here is just printed on. It's not a sewn on patch or anything, but it's all good. It's comfortable. I also like tying up the front, but I just like doing that with button-up shirts anyways. I think they look cool that way. What about this one? This patch was sewn on. That is like a more solid patch on that one. But yeah, since this isn't a full cosplay, it's not like in my normal cosplay unboxing type of videos, I would normally go through part by part each part of the cosplay and try it on and show it to you and say the pros and cons and stuff. But since this is just literally a shirt and also another small shirt, I figured I would do this one differently today. I wanted to show you these at the beginning, and I'm going to do some Animal Crossing inspired makeup today to be Timmy and Tommy. Obviously Chopper's not gonna have makeup, he's a cat, but I'm gonna do some Timmy and Tommy inspired makeup today, and then I'll put that on and Chopper will put his shirt on, and then we'll be matching little Tanuki raccoon twins. It'll be so cute. I'm very excited. So with that, I'm just gonna switch over to start doing my makeup. Hello, here I am getting ready and going into egg mode while I get ready to start my makeup. I'm just putting on a base of my foundation first. So not super exciting, but you gotta do it. And here I am, I'm putting a base layer on my eyes of eyeshadow, and then I realized after this was silly and I didn't need to do this, but I did, because that's kind of automatic. I usually put a base like that before I do any eyeshadow. And here I am going with some very heavy blush. I wanted some really cutesy, super cute blush, so I want it really heavy on the cheeks and the chin there, so very blushy. Now I'm going to do the kind of eye shape, I guess. I don't know what it's really called, that they have on their face. I'm doing an outline with white pencil eyeliner just to get an outline of where it's going to go. And then I zoom in, going in with some very light brown eyeshadow. I go in with a couple different shades of eyeshadow around the shape around the eyes first, because I wanted it to do a kind of gradient effect, like a soft, I didn't want like a sharp line of it. I wanted like a soft glow into the darker area around the eyes. So I go with this very nice pale brown and then a darker one, and just keep darkening it as I go closer toward the center of the eyes. The shape of this is kind of like if you had swimming goggles over your face or something. Just a big bean around your eyes or something. And then I do the same kind of gradient on my nose. So I go all around the end of my nose, and then with darker colors coming in closer to the tip of the nose. Here I am going with another darker one around the tip of the nose and around the shape. Chopper's climbing on things. He always does this. He just likes to sit up there and be tall. Oh gosh, what's he doing? Okay, a darker one again. This is more of a reddish toned brown to go into the whole shape, and I'm starting with like the outline around it, but then I go in and I fill in the whole shape with this same color too. Yay, there's the whole outline. Also the tip of the nose with this color as well, and then I switched to a little bit of thicker brush and I'm just filling in the entire area with that reddish toned darker brown color. Then another darker brown. I'm having a hard time describing these dark brown colors, but this is a darker, less red brown color. And that one I'm going around the center of the eyes. Then I start doing a smoky eye look around the eyes themselves. And of course the tip of the nose again, gotta keep up that gradient there. And just kind of blurring around the outside of it again, just to make it even smoother. And continuing with the smoky eye, I go in with some grays and blacks around the outer corners of the eyes to make it nice and smoky, and then a really pretty kind of coppery shimmery shade into the center of the lids because both Timmy and Tommy, when they close their eyes, they have a lighter color on their eyelids. So that was kind of to replicate that, but also to give this like a kind of pretty fancy kind of look to go along with this. And then I go with a very light gold color on the inner corners, like the inside of the eye, and then start doing my eyebrows in a black color. And a little bit dark around the eyes, and then we go with some eyeliner, and it's just some liquid eyeliner, and I just do some regular old spiky cat eye eyeliner here. Nothing super fancy with the eyeliner. I actually didn't really like the way I did my eyeliner this time. I kind of messed it up. It got a little bit thick on the ends there, but that's fine. Then some mascara over my eyelashes, and then I draw the cute little nose. I love this. The nose was so cute, and I just draw that with my eyeliner again. And then I realized it was kind of off center, so I'm fixing it. And then for my mouth, I'm drawing some kind of extended little lines on my mouth to make my mouth longer and more smiley. And I put on some black lipstick. I ended up not really liking how the full black lipstick looked, especially with the little smiley lines on the ends. It kind of looked creepy. It looked too like scary. So then I wiped it off the bottom lip. I left it on the top. So I could do kind of more an animal look, and I did a neutral nude shade on the lower lip, and I liked that a lot better. And I feel like that specific nude shade that I chose matched the brown in the makeup a lot better too. Then some fake lashes just to finish off the last of, I think that's the last of my eye makeup. And some highlighter. I used a gold highlighter for this because it just felt more earthy tones and across my nose and the cheeks. And then time to put on a wig and style it. I found this wig in my wig pile. I actually have not used this wig for anything yet. I ordered something on Amazon a while ago and they sent me the wrong wig and they just told me to keep it. So this has just been sitting there. I've had nothing to use this for. So I put it into some tiny little pigtails, kind of Misa Amane styled pigtails, and tease those out nice and big and fluffy and turn them into little ears. Then I remembered I wanted to put a little white dot onto the nose to make it look shiny and cute, and that was the last of the makeup. And now it's time to put Chopper in his shirt, and here's the finished look. Timmy and Tommy. I love it so much. Look at us. We're twins. Hi. You're so cute. Hi, Chopper. Here we are as the twins, Timmy and Tommy, together again at last. Yay. I feel so cute right now, and he's so cute. I love this so much. I hope you guys liked seeing me do the Timmy and Tommy inspired makeup to go with this cosplay. It's very fun and cute. And of course, Chopper being the cutest little guy in the world. And we're cosplaying together, and he wants nothing to do with it. He wants to walk away from me. He's fine. Look at him go in his shirt there. Yeah. Move my comb away from you. I styled my wig to have some little ears on it. I did like the tanuki raccoon eyes and little nose and the mouth. It's so cute. I love it. It feels like so different. I don't know, maybe it's just because it's darker, maybe because I don't have dark hair a lot. I feel like it looks so different right now. I guess it's just the power of makeup though. Look at this, isn't this amazing? Cosplaying with my cat. I love it. Hi. I think Chopper's had enough of this now. So I'm gonna let him go. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you had a good time here. If you're thinking of dressing as Timmy or Tommy or Tom Nook or any other Animal Crossing for Halloween this year, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more cosplay content, especially this October. I'm doing a series of a bunch of makeup looks for different costumes and cosplays, so hopefully that can be helpful for any of you guys that are wanting to dress up this year, even if you're just staying at home. It's always fun to dress up. I will also link at the end of this video my playlist for makeup and cosplay stuff, so you guys can go see all of the other makeup things I've done so far on my channel. And with that, I'm sorry. What are you doing, buddy? I'm just walking around. With that, we're all done with today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!